Her reaction of the house. No reaction yet?
No.
There it is.
What's up, guys? I'm Steven, and welcome to Hard Hat to Rentals. I'm a crane operator building financial freedom one property at a time. Today, we're walking through my first rental property, and I'm going to show you how in 2025 you can still get real cash flow. I'm talking 420, 430 a month after expenses. No theory, no guru talk, just real numbers from a real deal. My wife Alicia's seeing it for the first time in person, and we're going to find out together if this deal actually makes sense. Okay, so this house is about 2.5 hours away, so it's going to be a little drive. Let's get the coffee going, wake the wife up, and hit the road. Let's go.
You ready to go see the house?
Are you recording?
Yeah. She's a morning person, guys.
Get out.
Her reaction of the house. No reaction yet?
No.
No? There it is. There's the house. Let's do a side shot. See what we're working with, guys. It definitely needs painting. It needs leveling. Oh, wood windows. Wood windows. Not good. And big ol' wolf's nest. Come on. And right here, we got a bird's nest. How about that? Let's walk around the left side of the house. This side don't look too bad. Doesn't look. What is this? All right. And the fence, which is broke. All right. All righty. So, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. This might be more than 20. I think so. Really won't know until we start really getting into it. Got the contractor coming up here now. I'm gonna talk to him and see what's up. So let's do it.
And then, you know, obviously this room has no plugs in it. So he's gonna hopefully put some plugs. It's got one. Yeah, just one. So, I mean, I would put like, you know, a couple over here, just, it needs new plugs. Hopefully that doesn't change his price because he's already more expensive than, are you videoing me?
Yes. What do you think? What do you think?
It's a
Good. A good house?
Okay, so
All right.
in here, what is this? Let's make sure we turn this off.
I got it off right now.
Do you think we can, those vents, can you buy new ones? First question. Second question, or paint them, but I would rather just buy new ones.
Okay.
because we used to paint those when I worked in the restaurant and always looked prepared.
All right, guys. So yeah, I kind of messed up. I thought I got a new camera. It's the Canon M50, and I'm used to the cell phone, you know. So I kind of messed up, and I wasn't recording when I was doing the walkthrough. Yeah. I'm stupid. I know, but I got pictures, so I'm going to share that with you right now, so that way you can see the house actually, and then we'll get back to the rest. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's look at the numbers of the house. So first off, just gonna let you know that I found this house on Zillow. It's not hard to find a house. It really isn't. The house was listed for $105,000. So I come in, put a bid in about 95. Long story short, the inspection come back and I was like, ooh, the house needs a little bit more than what we expected. So I said, you know what? Let's go with 80. It's 80,000. She probably won't take it. Well, she took it. So I'm not saying it's the best deal ever. I'm gonna say it's a base hit because the house is gonna cash flow $429 every month after taking off my 15%, my 10% for maintenance, my 5% for vacancy and taxes, insurance, everything. That I'll make cash flow 100%, $429 at $1,200 rent. If the rent goes lower, say $1,100, okay, so I make $329. If it goes lower than that, okay, so I make $229. No big deal. The house will cash flow, and the house is in, I would say, an upper D class, not C. It's a lower C house. So let's go check out the numbers so I can show you exactly. And guys, I use Deal Check. There are other ways to break your numbers down, but this is the one that I usually use. I pay for it. I love it. I could put houses in here and pretty much work the numbers any way I want. So here it is right here, 713 Ellis Avenue. Let's take a look. Okay, so here's the page, the property analysis. So right here you see $51,050 for cash needed. Cash flow at $1,200. Rent is showing $429. Cap rate, I don't really go by cap rate, but my cash on cash is showing a 10%, 10.1, which is awesome. Now, if I had to put more money into this, that number is going to go down, but a 10%, a 9% is good. It's good in my market. It's good in that little town that I usually invest in. I'm good with that. So, but what I want to show you right here is the reason why you're seeing 51,000 is right here. There's my 80,000 that I bought the house for. The ARV, I've already looked it up. It's $118,000. That's the work that I do to the property. But I put down 25%. So I already put down 20,000 is locked up in the house and the equity, which is fine with me. I don't care. I'm holding it for 30 years anyway, so it don't matter. I got an interest rate of 6.6. I got a 30-year loan on everything. My purchase cost was 7%. The lower the house is, the more you have to bring that percent up because you're gonna pay a little more. I don't know why that is, but that's just the way it works. So 7% is exactly what I pay for closing costs with titles and all the other bull crap that goes along with it. And there's my rehab cost at, $25,450. There's my rent income at $1,200. My vacancy rate at 5%, and the rest of it's just long-term projections and stuff like that. The main thing that I'm going for is cash flow. Cash flow is what I'm looking for. I need more cash because my wife wants to live in this big house we're in right now. She don't want to buy a duplex and live on one side and rent the other side out. No, not gonna happen. word of advice, guys. If you ever move your wife in a nice house, get ready. She ain't moving out. She ain't moving out into a two bedroom, 1 bath, or even a 3 bedroom, 2 bath duplex. It ain't happening. If it does, please let me know so I can maybe copy what you did with your wife. I don't know. But taking another look at the house, guys, I'm really excited about this house. I really am. I mean, it is a good looking house. I really like it. It's got a lot of potential. Very big backyard. That tree right there is dead. Did not know that until I got to the house. So this is the part that I'm waiting on a quote for to remove that. So I'm gonna probably end up paying, what did I say, 24,450s, 25, maybe 26. If I can get out of this house at 26,000 of a remodel, I'm happy with that. I am happy. So then I just go right back to saving money and looking for the next deal. But the house it looks very good. Those pictures are really, whoever took these pictures did a really good job. It does not look like that in there. Trust me, I know. The floors, we're gonna replace the floors. The floors they're hammered. They're pretty much shot. It's not too bad. I mean, I wish I had money to remodel the entire house, but that wouldn't be too good on paper. As far as the kitchen goes, the cabinets need to be fixed right here, guys. The floor, I'm trying to talk my wife into replacing this, but she don't want to do it because it's that peel on stick linoleum floor, or whatever you call that junk. I hate it. I hate it. Just maybe we can fix it. I don't know. So basically, guys, that is my first rental. Follow along with me to see if I'm actually right on my budget. Follow along with me if I can actually get $1,200 rent for this house. I think I can. I'm under the market. I believe $1,200 to work. If not, $1,100. So be it. I still cash flow. $1,000. I still cash flow. No big deal. No big deal. You can only read so many books and watch so many videos. All that information in your head, it's like going crazy. You just have to do it. Just try to get in there. You're gonna make mistakes. I know I'm gonna make mistakes. I made mistakes on the first remodel. That will be a whole nother video. I have a whole story to tell you guys about that. I appreciate everybody watching. I'm gonna continue this. I'm gonna show you the remodel. I'm gonna show you if it rents for $1,200. I'm gonna tell you my story on that last remodel and the contractor I put in jail. I mean, well, as long as when you say no names, and he went to court yet, but yeah, that's gonna be a good one. But guys, I appreciate you watching and be tuned for more. This is Hard Hat to Rentals, and I'm out.